You know, I have not been into Pennywise 3 months now. Yeah, it is time for me to do a Pennywise haul for you all. Make sure to have a strict budget. Okay? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Curlsdynasty. So today's video is a Pennywise haul and other stuff that I purchased, right? So let's go into the video on time. Well, you know the drill, the prices will be right here. My budget was $500 and it came up to $490.10, which wasn't bad. The first item is you-THBD liners, 80 liners, which I got me 1 box. I also picked up Always Infinity Flex Foam, 1 box. I also picked up the Dove Original Advanced Care. I went to Puna branch and I did not get any Dove baby wash, what I normally use for my downstairs. So I will be trying this new product, which is, the name of it is Personal Care Cleansing Wash for sensitive skin. It's for dry free intimate cleansing formula, pH balance. So this is first time I am trying this brand. This is just a substitute wash. I also picked up 2-in Oral-B toothbrush, and these came with, I don't know if you all could see it, but it came with a cover over the bristle. I got me 2 of these. 1 bag is down. The second bag is, I got a Vaseline Men Extra Strength 3-in-1 body, face and hands, right? Skin health for all. It's a men lotion, Vaseline. This is the second time I buying this, but this time I buying it for my BF. I get that for him. I also picked up a pack of big sensitive shavers, which it has 7 in it. For my hair, you all notice I did not cauterize it. I just go in with the flow. This is the second time I'm using this product for my hair. That means I liked it. It's a local brand. It works pretty well. The name of it is Shade Naturals Coconut Avocado Mango. I bought leave-in conditioner and I also bought the Dream Curls. Right? The Dream Curls is to moisturize, define and strengthen your hair. Right? This is a local brand. You could look for them on Instagram or TikTok and you will see. It works for me real good. Keep my hair moist and it is very thick. I also picked up a new body wash called Wish Ultra Hydrating body wash. It's creamy coconut and almond. Here's how it looks. The bottle has a shape like the Dove body wash, but I wanted to try this brand. Smelling very good, and it looks very thick. Sales rep recommend this. For me, the first time I using this brand, right? The last bag, I picked up some plus picks, which it have 150 plus in it. Right? I also picked up cotton rounds when I am toning my face, put my toner on it and use. And I also picked up the square cotton pad, which is this one. Taking out my makeup from my face, I will use this one because it is very large to take out my makeup. And it have, let me tell you, this one have 50 pieces in it, and you round cotton rounds, which is 100% pure cotton. This have 100 pieces in it. So one is to remove makeup and one is to tone the face. Well, put the tone on it. I picked up a VO5 Ocean Refresh shampoo and conditioner with 5 oils and 5 vitamins. Power of 5. This also from a BF. And the last 2 items, I picked up you-Classic hand soap. And the last item, I picked up a GG refill can had wax beads, right? It's a refill can, empty. It's to put my hard wax beads in it and use it in my wax warmer. It came up to $490.10. I also has for miscellaneous 4 items from Wonderful World, which is the Ruby Kisses. This eyeliner looks very good. I also have it on as well. Very lightweight. And the next item in the bag I picked up in Wonderful World is the Repuffin Cooling Eye Pads, which it have 16 pads, which is 8 pairs. Right. This going into my skincare fridge. I also picked up 1 collagen facial mask. And I also picked up a silicone face wrap. It hydrates, moisturizes, and refresh. Use with sheet mask, clay mask, or serums. It's a silicone face mask. It could use it over your sheet mask, your clay mask, or when you put serums on your face, you put this as well. But I will be using it over my sheet mask, or I will use aloes on my face and put this over it so it could keep the moisture in, right? So this also going in my skincare fridge as well, right? So it's just 4 items I bought from Wonderful World. I also went to the store I'm talking Face TT. I bought a Torridon smoothing cream. Put on the back. Toiletries smoothing cream. I open the box. It came with a spatula, a clear spatula, because it's a gel smoothing cream. So this is how the bottles look and the cream inside of it. Right. This also can go into my skincare fridge. No, what kind of name is this? Oh, the bottle, Lord. Right. It is a miracle toner. Aha, Baha, Faha, toiletries toner, real tea tree. Right. It's a toner. Just a toner. A vitamin C boosting serum. It have 12 multivitamins in it. Beta boosting complex 20%. See that language? I don't understand that language, and I am not going to embarrass myself to try to pronounce it. Sorry. So let me show you all the box. Okay, this is the box. Let me open it and show you all the bottle one time. This is also the bottle of the product, right? So it's a vitamin C serum. I also went down to the road to my favorite store. I mentioned this product already in my empties haul. I am not seeing this product in Pennywise nowhere. I don't know if they discontinued, but I went down in my favorite store and I saw they had 4 remain, and I picked up 2 for me and 2 for somebody else. It's a hair product for my curls, cream and nature, pure honey, shrinkage defense, curl activator. Guys, if I tell you, yes, it is very thick, but a little bit go a long way. It is very thick. Looking for this for the longest while. So I just picked up 2 for me and 2 for somebody else. Guys, if you see it anyway, let me know. This was real good. One thing about this product, when you put it in your hair and it come like 2 or 3 days after and you want to refreshen your curls, all you have to do is spray it with some water and your curls activate back. Get you these, right? Never say I never put you onto this. So guys, this is the Pennywise haul. You know, miscellaneous stuff, wonderful world, and 1 or 2 items, right? So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel. It's been a long while, and yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification by when I upload. You can see my videos appear on your screen, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you on the next one. Bye.